Hi there, and welcome to my wine tote bag unpacking video. So I'm Connor Whiteley, a best-selling author of fantasy, romance, science fiction, and fantasy books. And the reason why I actually wanted to do this unpacking bag is just so that you can actually see my excitement, and you know that I'm just as excited about these pieces of merchandise as you guys. And if you're watching this during the month of July 2023, then you can actually get this wine tote bag through my Bettie English Returns Kickstarter. Links in the video description below. But if you're watching this video after that, then you can find it on eBay and my PayHip store. Links also in the video description. So let's get on with it. So, truth be told, I've only actually opened this just to check the design, and thankfully the design was okay, and I really like it. But I've not actually opened it anymore because I wasn't going to do a little promotion video without actually making sure that it was okay, first of all. So let's have a look at it. So it's definitely a lot bigger than I thought, and I'm actually trying to show you all of it in the video. So there you go. So it's actually quite a lot bigger than the size of my head for starters. Well, for starters though. So let's open it up. Wow, so this feels really nice. Nice, it's different, and it's actually got that really nice new matte smell though, because I always knew it was gonna have quite thick fabric. And this is what actually makes it really good though, with actually transporting your wine, because it means that your wine won't fall out, it won't break. Let me just open it up. So as you can see, it's actually got quite a lot of room where to actually put your wine. And I really just love the design because it turned out really well though. So this was actually inspired by my book that's come out in September 2023 called Wining and Dining. So it's a Bettie English Private Eye Mystery. So you got the book title, the author name, because I'm Connor Whiteley, and the series name. So it's the Bettie English Private Eye Mysteries, one of my favourite series to write and actually share with you readers. And also, if you scan that little QR code, then that actually takes you to the Bettie English page on my website, so you can actually check out these brilliant books, because they really are worth listening to and actually reading. And I actually just went to go get a bottle of wine from the kitchen, and I have to admit I'm really impressed that because you can see the wine in there, yeah, so it fits into it really easily, and I'm really impressed that way because it's not poking out. It's actually got a really nice shape, and everything isn't distorted, so it still looks really good. Really good. It's really comfortable to carry, so I'm really pleased though. And most importantly, it does actually sit down over, so that you know that your wine isn't going to fall over, which is always really important, I find. So if you'd like the wine tote bag that has been featured in today's video, then definitely check it out. During the Bettie English Returns Kickstarter during the month of July 2023, and you can also work at it on eBay and my PayHip if you're watching this video after the Kickstarter has all really closed. So this is a great product. I'm really happy about it, and it's so nice to actually have a product based on one of my books. So you're going to love it. I absolutely love it so much. Hope that you will buy it. So links in the video description below, and have a great day everyone.